students, welcome to all. Here we are seeing the same lesson, that is the Hour of Truth by Percival Wilde. Today, here in the last class we have seen that Baldwin was saying about Gresham that they are having friendship for 35 years and he won't expect me to say a lie. Here, Gresham won't expect me to say a lie because he knows well about me. Let me see what Baldwin was saying about him. Here, he has known me for 35 years and well, anybody who has known me for 35 years doesn't expect me to haggle with my consigns. If it had been anybody else, I would have struck him across the face. In the case of, instead of Gresham, if anybody else asked this same thing to me, ഇതേ കാര്യം അവരെന്നോട് ചോദിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രഷാമിന് പകരം വേറെ ഒരാളാണ് എന്നോട് ഈ കാര്യം ആവശ്യപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് ഐ വിൽ ഡു, ഐ വിൽ സ്ട്രക്ക് ഹിം അക്രോസ് ദ ഫേസ്. ഞാൻ അവരുടെ മുഖത്തേക്ക് അടിക്കും. അടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും എന്നവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുണ്ട്. ഐ വുഡ് ഹാവ് സ്ട്രക്ക് ഹിം അക്രോസ് ദ ഫേസ്. But John Gresham and I were boys together. But John Gresham and I, that is Baldwin, both are boys together from the childhood. They are friends. We worked side by side. Here we worked side by side. And I have been in his employ ever since he started in for himself. Here, and I have been in his employ. I am an employer of him when he started this bank. He is desperate. He doesn't know what he is doing, or he wouldn't have offered me money. Here he is desperate. നിരാശയായി. Who was desperate? John Gresham was desperate. He doesn't know what he is doing. He don't know what he was doing. What's going to happen when the bank was wrecked? Or he wouldn't have offered me money. Otherwise, would he offer money for me? ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിലും എന്തുണ്ടായത്? Gresham offered Baldwin some money. So in that situation also, he was thinking of Baldwin. How he will live after the wreck of the bank. So he was offering some money to him. Can you understand? Here, John offered you money, Dad? Here, son is asking, did he offer you money? Baldwin, yes. $100,000. How much did he give? Yes, $100,000. He offered $100,000. Evie, what? Baldwin, I have got only a few years to live, but I will live those as I have lived the rest of my life. I will go to my grave clean. Here, what Baldwin was saying, I have got only a few years to live. So, in the rest of the life, I have to live as the same. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം ഇത്രയും കാലം ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ജീവിച്ചിരുന്നു വെച്ചാൽ അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എനിക്ക് ഇനിയുടെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള കാലങ്ങളും അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ആവണമെന്നാണ് ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത്. He don't want to lie for his friend, isn't it? For Gresham. I will go to my grave clean. Then only I can go to my grave clean. Okay. Then only I can go to my grave in a clean state, isn't it? Here, if I lie, I won't go to the grave clean. So here, I want to be a truthful person, a sincere one. Martha, Robert, Baldwin, he put it aside for me without anybody knowing it. It's out of his private fortune, he says. It's not the depositor's money, as if that made any difference. He put it aside for me without anybody knowing it. So here, Gresham was giving money to Baldwin without anybody else know. It's out of his private fortune. It was not the depositor's money. It was out of his private fortune. Okay. Here, Gresham was giving $100,000 to Baldwin. It's not the depositor's money of the bank. Okay, it's the private one of his fortune. It's not the depositor's money, as if that made any difference. Evie, he offered you $100,000? Okay, here the daughter is asking, did he offer $100,000? Baldwin, I could have had it for the one word, yes, or even for nodding my head, or a look of the eyes. I could have had it for the one word, yes. I could have had it for the one word. എൻ്റെ ഒരു വാക്ക് മതി, എസ് എന്ന് ഞാൻ മൂളാൻ. Or even for nodding my head, ഞാനൊന്ന് തലട്ട് ആട്ടിയാൽ മതി. Nodding means here moving the head. Okay. Here, nodding here meaning moving head. Here, he even for nodding my head or a look of the eyes. എൻ്റെ ഒരു നോട്ടം മതി എന്നെ അവൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ. ഞാനൊന്ന് തലട്ട് ആട്ടിയാൽ മതി, ഞാനൊന്ന് എസ് എന്ന് മൂളിയാൽ മതി, അങ്ങനെ അല്ലാന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ഒരു നോട്ടം മതി. അവൻ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും എന്താണ് അതുപോലെ ചെയ്യാൻ. John, how do you know he meant it? എങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം അവൻ അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത്? His word is good because his word is good to me. അവൻ വളരെയധികം നല്ലൊരു വ്യക്തിയാണ്. ആരോട്? എന്നോട്. His word is good. John, even now, do you think that John Gresham is good now? ഇപ്പോഴും അതേ സ്വഭാവക്കാരനാണ് എന്നാണോ ഫാദർ അവനെ കുറിച്ച് ചിന്തിക്കുന്നത്? Here, Baldwin, he never lied to me, John. I suppose my eyes must have shown something I didn't feel. He noticed it. He unlocked the drawer and showed me 100,000. Here, Baldwin, he never lied to me, John. He never lied to me. എന്നോട് ഒരിക്കലും ജോൺ ഗ്രഷാം നുണ പറയാറില്ല. I suppose my eyes must have shown something I didn't feel. ചിലപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പോലും ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാറില്ല. അത്രത്തോളം എന്താണ് എൻ്റെ കണ്ണുകൾ കണ്ടിട്ട് അവൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, sometimes I won't feel that, but what's happening? He can identify me. He can understood the feelings of me, or the thing that was in my eyes. He unlocked the drawer. He was moving there. He was unlocked the drawer and taking 100,000 and gave to me. Here, John, in cash, did he give the money to you? Baldwin, in $1,000 bill. Okay, in $1,000 bill. They were genuine. Okay, genuine here meaning they are real. Okay, it's a real one. Here, I examined them. ഞാനത് പരിശോധിച്ചു. $1,000 ബില്ല് ഞാൻ പരിശോധിച്ചു. അത് റിയൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. അത് നുണ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളോ അല്ല തെറ്റായ രീതിയിലുള്ള ബില്ലുകളോ ഒന്നും തന്നെ അല്ല. That is genuine. That's a real fact. Avi, and for that he wants you to say, I don't remember. I know that he gave you $1,000, $100,000. For that he was asking you to say the 3 words, I don't remember. Isn't it? Here, and for that he wants you to say, I don't remember. Baldwin, just that 3 words only. He don't want me to say lie. He wants me to forget a little. Here, that's the 3 words he was asking me to say. I don't remember. But you won't. Here, what John was saying, that you won't. Isn't it? Here, that means here, at first here, John and Avi, both of them are asking questions to here whom? That is Baldwin. And at that time, Baldwin was saying that no one in the earth can save him. ഒരാളും ഈ ഭൂമിയിലുള്ള ഒരു വ്യക്തിയും അവനെ രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്താൻ സാധിക്കില്ല. I am the only witness against him. ഞാൻ ഒരേ ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ് വിറ്റ്നസ് against ആയിട്ട് പറയാനുള്ളത്. And he was my only friend for 35 years. So he won't bargain me to say the thing. And here another one, what he has said, what it means, that is here $100,000. He gave me $100,000. For what? Here John was asking, and Avi, they both are asking, here for $100,000, here he was asking you to say the thing, that is the I don't remember. എന്ന് പറയുന്ന 3 വാക്ക് നിങ്ങളോട് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടത് എന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് എന്ന് പറയണം. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ഐ ആം നൗ കൺക്ലൂഡിങ് മൈ lesson. Let me see in the next class. Thank you.